What's up, y'all? It's Monday morning. We're here to get to work. All right. See what we got going on today. Negative position with a bullish bar on pretty much every stock except Disney. Oh, Disney drop looks good. Clearing everything except the 1 hour. Actually, no, 1 hour is clear too. SBucks has a similar look, but it's not as good. Square has a similar look too. I like that look on Disney. We're into the second half now. This technically is an elephant bar, but I'm gonna chill out real quick and see what happens. So my stop would have to be at 33. And normally I could get pretty tight entries on this thing. This thing's a 60-cent bar. More. Which is quite unusual. This actually looks pretty good on AMD. Looks pretty bearish. Go 2 lots. The max stop. Shit. Shit. Alright, psych. Try to go on that tail bar. Shit got nasty already. The fuck, bro? Back in short. 1 lot only. Fucking got played. Knew that shit would pop up real quick. Fuck. Should have been a 1 lotter with the event stop. I tried to be greedy. I went in with 2 lots with the stop in the middle of the bar, so I had to take a loss. But if I just waited, it's impatient or greedy kind of. Because I was trying to put on more size than I can handle. Took an unnecessary L. Bullshit. It is bearish though. Bro, if that bar gets wiped out, I'm out. I swear. But this might be a hidden color change for me to add on. Potentially. Alright. We're gonna add one there. Our stop's gonna be over the top of this bar. So add it on the hidden color change. I'm just disappointed. I shouldn't have taken that loss. Oh, there is that whole number right there. It's a pretty strong one. 100. That shit is round, very round. If this shit bounces, it's over. So this is where I have to tighten up. So yeah, my stop is right over this bar at 55. It either breaks through that whole number or it's probably gonna bounce real quick. Maybe cash up with the MAs. And see, the trade is going decently, but I'm only break even right now because I took a loss on the first trade for no reason. I'm expecting that whole number to hold, man, for me to stay in this trade. It's holding that whole number. Might look to get out at break even. Just get out at break even for now. Let this thing pull back to the MAs and then I'll look to get back in. Probably fucked up again, man. It didn't even break. It stops over this bar. Location is good on the, all time frames to drop. It's just the whole number is there, but like it's already trading 20 cents past the whole number. Get a big drop and then we should be good. See if we could break this low right here, 79. Here we go. I got back out just to get back in. And probably shouldn't have gotten out on the other one. Now I'm just risking more. Here it was risking like 20 cents, a lot. Now I'm actually risking like 40 cents a lot. So, no good, no good. How did Disney turn out? Disney played out. Boom. Pullback drop. Sting, man. That whole number. I was just about to add there. Had my stop right over 100. But had some hesitation. It just held 100 there. This one came up, bop. There it goes, doing that shit it keeps doing. Just need a strong bar close, man. Oh, surging away from that whole number. It's in that same vicinity. It's kind of scary. Your price gets to 99, I'll definitely lock and break even. Like, that's a no-brainer. A minute 20 till this bar, so we don't know how this thing's gonna close. Shit might wake up again. We don't want that. We want a solid bar. Yeah, we don't want that. Come on, give me a solid bar, man. Come on. Bruh. Get out at the whole number, 100. This shit ain't holding. 30 seconds left to prove something to me. Come on. Otherwise, I'm out at the whole number. There we go. Oh, come on. Add there. Just have my stop at break even. 78. Real tight add. Needs to run or I'm out. Bro, why is that bar wicked, man? Just close solid. Let me get some true extension away from this 8. I'll look to take some profits into the whole number, 99. Otherwise, we're just locking in break even. $99 stock. It's a fat tail bar. I'll be lucky if this thing goes. It's a tail bar. It's probably gonna stop me out. Look for a pullback. The better move probably will be a pullback here. Man, all I tried to do was short and I couldn't make money. The fuck? How much did that just give me? 78 minus 31. That gave me like 188. Yeah. I guess I couldn't have expected much. This shit over here is already far away. People entering here would be taking their profits. So couldn't really ask for much. Everything's turning right now. I'm gonna wait for the pullback. Oh shit, Merc was so fucking clean. Holy shit. 15-minute is bullish. I mean, look at the location of this, narrow as fuck. Wow. Opens this like little tiny bar, but then this tail bar, wow. Right off where you want it. Boom, enter. You get 1 push, 2 push. If you count this, sure, but 3 push right into this whole number. Wow. Now if you could get a nice gentle pullback, that shit will be textbook. On the 15, this shit looks so good. Boom. Little pullback RBI on the 15. Has room to move to 105 today. Potential to hold the 8 MA right now. But you know, that shit's a bit far away from the 20 still. Might double dip. But yeah, the first place of support or struggle you're gonna see is this 8. And it just triggered off the 8 right there. But I want it at the 20. AMD, man, shouldn't have been a loser. All we did was short. All we did was short, and we still lost. So that's no good. That really is no good. Oh, here goes Merc, double dipping on your ass. Triggered and double dipping on your ass. JPM is looking to clear right now. Rejected the 200 twice. See it? Pulled up, drop, pulled up, drop. Sideways, consolidating. Now holding the 20. This is pretty obvious. It's a clearing bar. But I want to play something that's already trending, aka Merc. So I just need a pullback on this guy. S-Bucks I need a pullback too. Would be nice. But JPM I could see some bearishness. At least until this support. Disney pullback, but it's also bearish. Oh shit. AMD's back to the 20. But those green bars are kind of big. But it's back at this declining 20 and this declining 8. The lows have yet to be taken out. But man, these bars are kind of big compared to the red. Like the red, the push down, the bars on the push down should be bigger than the pullback bars. You know what I mean? But the location though is still okay. It's just the pullback is a bit deeper than I personally prefer. Oh shit, Merc. Looks like Merc is going. Wasn't the double dip after all? Looks like it's holding. $88 minus 55. Oh shit. Potentially triggering here. I'm going with 2 lots. Triggered at 46. Got slipped a bit, but it's okay. Pullback's a bit deeper, so I can't really expect a whole new low, in my opinion. And oh fuck. See, that's the thing, is now we're back above the whole number, above 100. Super round number. It's not what we wanted. Bend stop is over this bar at 88. Can it hold? Can it hold? Can it hold though? Ah, fuck. No, it cannot hold. Pullback was too deep, man. Man. The fact that this tail bar triggered and then got wiped out tells me something else. I don't know if I could trust this short on Apple. Apple has a similar look to AMD. See JPM, the one that just started clearing? Nah, shit's messy. See, this look on the S-Books isn't too good. Trading right into the 200 if you're short. Disney's pullback is pretty though. But it wiped out everything. Boom, boom, boom. See if it can hold the whole number, come back down, tail out. That'll be a 4-lotter right there. If it triggers at 74. Off this 20, off this 8. With room to move. Let's see. We need 74. Not gonna get 74. Oh shit. Here this shit goes. Here this shit goes. Triggering after stopping us out, huh? You pussy. Off the 101 whole number. I'm out at 101. And I'll probably be done for the day. Took too many losses. That doesn't look good. The way that thing is tailing out. Let's get an ad there, 58. My stop is at 91. You know what, just make it 85 above these bars. Just added one on that color change. 3 lots average at 158. Event stop at 186. Gonna add one more there. 54 plus 25. Our stop is at 79. Just put it at 75. So if this thing stops out, it'll break the 20. Yeah, I think this stop is okay. It's like a lot above the 20. So if it does stop out, then it'll like effectively be a 20 MA break. And we'll see. Again, right? This pullback halfway, we typically like it. This thing pulled back like 75%. I'm just looking for equal lows. If I could get that, I'm a happy man. If this stops out right now, GG's, but I might potentially get an ad here on this tail bar takeout. Move my stop even tighter. Okay, I think it's gonna stop out. And I think we'll call it a day there. We just kind of got fucked up big time. So is what it is. Call it a day. It was kind of a hard day. Should have followed through. That thing didn't follow through though. No, why is tailing out again? Probably was the hooking 8, man. But now, hooking 8 isn't an issue. Mark is getting ready. Baba could have a big clearing bar down potentially very soon. Boom, boom, boom. I like to look at this guy. Stop at 58. 70 minus 58. It's 8 lots at 70. Well, maybe one more trade. If it triggers perfectly, then sure. $70. I'll go 8 lots at 70. Let's see if we get a trigger here. At 70. Right off that rising 8 or a 20, I mean. Please set something beautiful up. Please. Bruh. Price is trading lower. That's breaking right through that shit. Man, I should have known that pullback, man. Come on, look at that pullback. I mean, if it's true momentum and power, you know a leg is solid when this shit has nice solid bars down. The shit we get here is like bullshit. Yeah, even though this shit might trigger again, man. This tail bar takeout on the 5 minute. This would be a 2 lotter on the 5 minute tail bar takeout. Enter here, I'll have my stop over this bar. Let's see. Nah, but see, that 8 is hooking around now. This looks pretty good on Apple. Did Merck hold after all? It's triggering still. I don't like this shit when it gets under. Shit's a bit freaky. Oh, JPM busted up. Baba busted up. Wait, I thought that shit looked good for a second. On a 3, yeah. On a 2, no. Looks pretty clean on the 3, actually. Nice bearish gap down. Split it in half. Not too bad. Merc. Merc, 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 merc. What's the best looking one? I gotta say Merc, man. Yeah, I gotta say Merc. AMD still maybe has a chance to drop. Oh, there goes Apple. Triggering on the 3. Getting a bit of follow through. I prefer this to get right on the 20. Then I'll enter it. Man, this one might be triggering here. Oh, fuck. 65 minus 50. 15-cent bar. 6 lots. I wanted it right there, but it might trigger just there. Could have gone 6 lots at 65. See if it pulls back a little. Get my head. Fuck, man. It's triggering for real. It's the best looking one too. Oh, what the fuck Disney's doing? That shit just straight going up now. See, that shit triggered. It's coming back down. Shit. This just still has a great look on it on the 15. In my opinion, like, shit could still very well trigger. Needed to chill out a little bit. But, yeah, if it could hold this 20, it's looking good. This one's getting a bit big. But the 20's coming through. Could get a 180 of that thing and might be good to go. $67 minus 48. 67 minus 48. That's gonna be a 5 lotter. 5 lotter at 67. Just go ahead and do that. Next bar triggering. Nice tail bar off a rising 20. And that was definitely triggered. I did answer a bit early, but stop is below the low. The low is 0.49, so 48. And are we good? CC7 minus 48. 19-cent risk on 5 lots for the last trade of the day. It has to be the last trade of the day if I take it now. Jeez. This is a pretty clean one though, compared to the other trades I took today. This one's one of the cleaner trades. Normally I don't pay attention to the 8, but motherfucker, it's exactly into the 8. And that might be the issue. Typically I don't give a fuck. But sometimes when price doesn't go immediately, I get to thinking, what's wrong? There's nothing in the way here, nothing in the way here, nothing in the way here. What's wrong? And it's the fucking 8. But whatever. 103.50, 103.51, 103.50, 103.49. So yeah, my stop's gonna chill below 103.49 at 103.48. This shit either goes, we're gonna take a max loss for the day. It's fine. This thing makes us whole. We just dead. Jeez Louise, bro. Fucking Disney is going nuts. Holy shit. This thing for real V bottomed out. And didn't give a fuck. It just kept going up. Holy shit. Meta has some pretty sloppy price action, but like overall going up, and this thing just triggered over the top here. But on the green bar reversal with your stop here, get a little red bar. Let's see if that triggers. Looks like our merc trade ain't going. That's too sad. If I stop out, I'm still bullish on this thing. Why? I mean, this pullback isn't that deep yet. This 25-minute could rise. This 15-minute 8 could rise. The price could still catch. You got this base over here. The price comes back down and holds it as support. That's enough to stop me out, nick me out, but price could still just hold there and pop up without me. And that shit's just unfortunate, but like, I guess it has to do with the timing. I'm trying to get an earlier entry here on the 3, and it did trigger. Like, we're not gonna get it mixed up. It did trigger. Like, that's a perfect tail bar, and this is a smoothly rising 20. Like, I'm not gonna go back on myself and say that I fucked up, but like, you know, There's your first color change, actually. Right here's your first color change. And it triggers at 76 actually. Might get a 2-lot add up in here. Oh shit. Hit 77 already. Triggered. But you know what I have to do if I add. I gotta move my stop tighter. Do I want to move my stop tighter yet? That's the first color change though. 76. Fuck it. 7 lots. Our max loss could be 14 cents. 70 minus 14. Our stop needs to be at 56. See, that's a bit tight. But it's below the color change, so I guess it's fine. So I added 2 lots on the first color change. Entered in the sale bar, got the first color change, added. Now I move my stop to 56, max stop. I could probably move it to 58 under this color change. Just do that. If price does come all the way back down like that, like this, it'll break the 20. It'll pretty much break the 20, invalidate this color change. So it's a good point to invalidate the trade if it does stop out. But now I'm just hope for follow through. Just sit back and wait for a new high. We do have some psychological levels coming through, 104, the whole number. But this pullback wasn't too deep, to be honest, right here. So like, I'm gonna expect a new high, and hopefully moving my stop tight right now isn't gonna mess up the trade. And we just got a nice bar of follow through. This bar is doing who knows what. But yeah, keep tailing out and it'll be a decent look for us. But yeah, my stop's gonna chill under this color change, 103.58, under the 20 MA, and we just wait for follow through. That ain't follow through. Rip. That is not gonna hold, bro. Look at it. But I'm saying it's still valid on the 15-minute. Pullback isn't crazy. We'll get lucky, so freaking lucky if this shit holds right here. But it's probably gonna stop out, realistically speaking. But you see this island of price right here? Boom. Draw that out. Where does that land? Basically 50% of this big bar. And normally, when you want price action to be strong, you gotta hold 50%. Price so far here, you're about to get a gift buy. Once one of these candles trigger over the others high. It hasn't happened yet. So this shit might stop us out right now. But this, you see this 8 coming up? This 8 coming up, price keeps dropping until the 8 drops, then it triggers over the high. Get a perfect setup on the 15. But I mean, it did set up on the 3, it just hasn't followed through yet. So, I mean, and we're in on the 3. It is what it is. Like, what can I say? We'll get super lucky if this thing goes, but I don't really have high hopes for it right now because it's starting to get a bit messy. What I would want is for price to print above this right now, and that'd be our best hope. But that doesn't happen, then price might go sideways just enough and stop us out until this materializes on the 15. And there ain't a thing we could do about that shit. So we're just gonna have to take a max loss for today. Meta. No, that shit went, bro. For real. Remember we marked it out? You enter here, 1. Add on the color change. Yeah, shit worked. Boom, you got your new high. Taking profits. There goes Merc. Looking to stop us out real soon. But that's fine, I guess. I mean, be that way. Be that way. Yeah, and this thing hasn't. This 20 is still decently far away. It needs to catch up. Like I said, we'll get real lucky if this triggers. But it's more likely to stop out. I don't want it to stop out, but you know, it's more likely to. Shit just came within a cent of stopping me out. So if that's not lucky, I don't know what is. And if it goes from here, but yeah, just gotta wait. Print over this and we're gold. I think we'll be gold. We'll be golden. Hopefully we stay alive long enough for this 20 to trigger. You know, if price could print over this high right here, 103.90, it could just go 20 more cents. That'd be perfect my way. That's exactly this pivot I needed to get over. If we could do that, I think we're chilling. But see how the 20 is getting messy now? It either needs to work or I'm fucked. 15 more cents and I'm good. Or I don't know if I'm gonna be good, but the probability will shift towards my favor. See, what did I say? We need price printing over these bars highs right here. 89, 90. Basically just get to that whole number. I mean, if it could print over these highs, the next problem we have is the whole number. And at that point, just get over the whole number. At that point, just get over this pivot, 104.16, and we'll be good. Is that a bit too much to ask for? Maybe, right? Just let this thing slowly do its thing. See, it's going back to these pivots, but like, look at the bar. The bar is tailing out, man. Like really? Is that what we're doing nowadays? Tailing out and shit? Come on. Show some strength to yourself. Alright, I'm gonna have to get out on the 2-bar break of this sucker, because this shit is rejecting. Like on the 3-minute chart. I'm out on the break of the 20. Or is that too tight? 66. $0.04 stop. I'm putting it there because if it breaks through, that's a 2-bar break to the 20. That means it's printing below this bar, 67. But I'm kind of scared it might be a bit too tight. Got 67 here. Please tail out. Please hit 90. This is able to print 90 right now with our stop this type. We're super lucky. Risking 4 cents right now. 28 bucks. We'll go home with like $300 loss today. Unless we get lucky. Price prints over this. We might be okay. Oh. I'm seeing 86. Will we get 87? We just got 88. We just got 88. Will we get 90s? Okay, it finally printed over this. On the 1586, it just printed over that high. Gave us 88. Can we do a bit better and get over that whole number at 104? If it taps 104, I'm going to just move my stop under this bar, the current bar on the 3-minute. And that'll give us 103.70, locking in break even. And trailing under what would be a big bar if this gets to 104 right now. See, this bar was able to get to 92. But shit's rejecting now. But I think I could go under the bar, 103.70. Lock and break even there. Because, I mean, that bar shouldn't be able to get wiped out. It should have just gone. But it's telling me otherwise. Yeah, going under this, 103.70. Which is our break even. Rip. Rip it, gang. Rip. Dude. This thing should have just got way quicker follow through than what we just sat through, so. Either this sets up on the 5 and we get it from there in the 15. We're probably done for the day. Didn't get no follow through, man. Holy shit. What the fuck is going on here? Nothing scares me anymore. Bruh. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? You're telling me I tightened up my stop, and as soon as I tightened up my stop, it's gonna go? Are you serious right now? mean, I could have had my stop under this bar at 58, and that would be risking 12 cents and 7 lots, 84 bucks. See if anything else got anything good going on. You got shit going on, man. This shit ain't got shit going on. Fucking Disney, man, out of nowhere. Like, who the fuck said Disney could go up like that? I mean, look, this makes sense. Bounce off that 200. Solid ass leg though. Rising 20. Boom. This is okay because you enter on this. This shit is tiny. You have definitely 2 hours back into the 200. So, like, you can't even lose. You can't lose. Even if it rejects hard. Merc, man, Merc still has potential here. In my opinion. Oh, fuck. What did I just remove, bro? Be back, yo. Oh, there it goes. Doing what we wanted to do. Finally caught up on the rising 20 now. Hold up. Let me calculate this shit. Stop at 57. 75 minus 57. 18. This is a 5 lotter. 5 lotter over the top. That's 75. 75. 5 lots. I'm just go 5 lots anyways. Bit of a late entry, triggered late. Should have gotten in at 75, but you know, slippage and shit. But 5 lots, our max risk is 20 cents a lot. 77. Let's do the quick math. 77 minus 20. We could have our stop at 57, which is below this green bar reversal. Actually, that's fine. Yeah, our stop at 57. That's fine. Below this bar. So it did trigger, right? Green bar reversal. Stop. What you call it? Over the bottom. This rising 8's finally caught up. Exactly how we want it. But it needs to be green, this bar. This bar needs to be green, clearing all of this. If it's red, breaking the 8, fuck, you know, it's over. This is not how price is supposed to follow through. Smoothly rising 20, I mean, come on, man. It's over, isn't it? Taking another L. I can't do a thing about it. Dizzy's actually fucking crazy, bro. Had a little strong reaction, but seems to still be holding that uptrend. Merc, shit, it's all luck at this point. If it wants to go, oh shit. I knew Meta had a look to it, bro. I mean, this 2 minute long. And look at the 3 minute, right? Struggled a little bit, popped up, nice. You got a 180 over here. You could have entered on that, this. But preferably you'd want your stop below. And yeah, you were safe. 20, rises, catches up a bit more. Big red bar gets no follow through. That's a good sign. Little couple bars holding here and there. What is this? This is a tail bar plus, right? Enter on the tail bar plus, you're gold. After that, you have your first color change. You add on that. So let's say your first one, then you add here. Honestly, your stop should be under the 200, but if you can't afford that, go event. This has room to move on the 15, not too much on the 1 hour. 20, declining 20s coming. You got the overhead 200 here. And now price is, for the first time, getting some nice extension away. You got 314 whole number here. Maybe it'll hit, but this zone right here. But if it could break through, that'd be some pretty bullish momentum. You could look for longs the rest of the day. And B looks to be changing trends. Sucker popped up, held this 20. It's a nice event. We got a bull 180, 20 MA halt. Yeah, we're gonna stop out soon on Merc. And this triggered here. You got some nice space into the 20 or 200 overhead. Definitely 2 to 1, so that's no problem. Price is already trading over this 20, no problem. But the 15, some problem. 1 hour, a little bit of problem. But see if we get lucky, man. Maybe. Probably not, but nice look on meta. This one tailed out kind of a lot. And there goes the final stop out on Merc. And it's over. Ah, man. Does it feel good? No, it doesn't feel good. Apple long. Maybe I could try an apple long here with the last 30 bucks I have left. Right here. Getting a little acorn bar. Go 2 lots on that guy. Two lots on that guy with a stop at the whole number. Off the rising 8 MA. Let's just try 2. Entering mad anticipation on this one. Risking 24 bucks. Just took out the color of the last bar. $172.01. This is only risking like, what is it? 13 minus 1. 12 cents a lot. 24 bucks. It's already, it's almost 2 to 1 already. So that was 2 to 1 right there. You got 25 cents. Risking 12 cents. I'm gonna just try to trade this thing up into 173 whole number, ideally. So you got a bit of a resistance there. You got prior support here. Prior support. You got previous day close. You got the 20 MA. So yeah, a bit of clutter we got to get through. You got the 8 MA on the 1 hour. So this thing could get to 173. I'll look to take something off at least. And well, I'm trading off the 8 MA. The 8 MA right now is trading at, or the 8 MA is at 172.18. That's above my break even. Probably should lock in break even, because my trade idea is off of the 8 MA. If it breaks the 8 MA, it's no longer good. I'm trading off the basis that the 8 MA is going to hold. You feel me? I could have had like 7 lots on this. 12 cent risk. It's pretty crazy. Shit would have got me 500 bucks already. But listen, I can't even afford that many lots on Apple. I could afford maybe like, what is it? I could afford 500 shares. I don't even think 6. But anyways, I'm break even right now. Just gonna let this thing run. So it kind of got extension away, maybe, if you say so, but like 40 cents. I'm on a $170 stock. Pretty sure it did give me 50 cents. I didn't take it though. I'm trying to trade it back to the next level of like resistance. And that's the previous day close, the whole number, 173. So I'm gonna let this go a bit longer. Hopefully it could. Shit, bar by bar is not breaking, but probably look to trail the 8 MA on this, to be honest. Yeah, that's probably what I'll look to do. Trail the 8 MA. Just move it under this bar for now. 172.40-ish. Drop down to the 2 minute. I saw bar by bar didn't break either yet. So I'm gonna trail bar by bar on the 2 minute. Lock in 57 here. Under this bar. And then for the other bar, or the other stop, I'm gonna just trail the 8. Yeah. because it's getting real close to this area. But I have my stop a bit or my take profit a bit extended past the whole number, like because I wanted $1. But also in case I don't get that, you know, I wanna trail properly. So we'll move this one under this one at 60. Lock in like 3 more cents. Bar by bar, yeah, it never broke yet. Just visually you can see it never broke yet. So if it breaks here at 60, I'll take one off. And I'll leave one at 44. Below the 8 MA. Bar by bar, stop is about to go under this one at 172.70. Go ahead and lock that in. Move this one to maybe lock in 50, 172.50. Underneath the 8. You got to think about it though in terms of what I risked. This trade is up 140. Like I just saw 150, right? 150. I risked not even 30 cents, 24 cents, and we're up 150. Right? I was in at 13, stop at 01, 12 cents, 2 lots, 24 buck risk. This is a big winner. It's a 6-hour trade. It's just I couldn't risk the full 100 because I only have 30 bucks left. But yeah, we're gonna walk this thing into TP. We'll probably bar by bar and then just have this stop all the way until it gets taken out. That's probably what I'll do. So now we wait until 20 or 11:30. Wait for this thing to close. And it's where it's at that level right now. Support, previous day close, 20 MA, 8 MA is coming close. 5, you know, has room to move, but we're just gonna bar by bar this because it's going crazy. Try to lock in as much as we can without stopping out. Let it run, you know. I'll be back in a minute to update the stop. See, I would have preferred this bar to be a green bar, man. But stop has to go to 78. See, I already broke bar. Freak. Right here, I broke bar by bar 78. What do I even do? I'm just leave it at 70 then, because it was a red bar, too slow. Yeah, we'll leave it at 70. See if it stops out now. Then basically we locked in a bit over 50 bucks on that one. And then hopefully the 8 holds and we get another ad. And then, yeah. Hopefully it doesn't even stop out at all, to be honest. That'd be best case scenario. But Okay, it just stopped out. Not really bar by bar, but like what you call it? I don't know what to call it. This is just a damage control trade at the end of the day. I don't think we could really make back $300. I mean, almost $400 on a $30 risk. On a 2-minute, you got an overhead 200. Yeah, this is like I said, this is an area where, right, support. Previous day close, you got the 20. It's just an area where it's the probability of it going through is not as strong. But if this thing manages to hold the 8 again, right? Because held the 20. This time held the 8. If it could hold the 8 again, I won't be opposed to adding. You know, if I get a tiny acorn again, I'm not going to be opposed to adding. So long as I don't lose money, you know. My stop needs to be break even. So we'll see if we get an ad here, potentially. 60 minus 13 is what? 47 cents. Potentially add 2 lots here. Maybe 3. So I want my stop at 61. Or 60, I mean. But it hasn't triggered yet. I could enter early now, but that'd be too anticipation. And the next bar comes at 36, which is a while from now. My stop needs to be at 60. Either triggers now or I'm out on the break of the 8. So let's see what we get. Looks like this is pulling back to the 5-minute 8 MA. Hopefully I don't stop out before it triggers again. Because this held here, has potential to hold here, but my stop is real tight. I do want it to hold. I want to get an ad. My ad would come at 76 with a stop at 60. I could add 3 lots. Okay, I mean, we obviously got slipped a little bit, but I added 3 lots there. I'm gonna just go with the stop at break even. It's fine. It's a bit tight. Stop should be at 60, but not gonna lose money. Yeah, because look at the way this bar is. It shouldn't be wiped out. If it does, it's probably gonna break the 8. So I just locked in break even. And break even is below the 8 anyways. It's not that tight. It's tighter than the event stop, but it's not that tight, you know. Especially after a bar like this. I mean, I should be trailing under a bar like this. So now we just wait. And that's the thing. It's still in the same area, previous day close plus the whole number. It just tried surging past the whole number, but couldn't quite do it. I could trail under this bar at 70, but that's a bit tight. Gotta see how this treats the whole number, then I'll move the stop. If it wicks pretty hard, then yeah, I'll probably just trail real tight. Why? Because it's more likely to bounce off this whole number, 173, off the previous day close, off this declining 20. That's why. There's a reason to why I'm trailing tight. If I do trail tight, right? But if it breaks through, then not a problem. But I gotta see what it does. So let's see. Like if it gets to the 20s, then we're probably chilling. It's probably gonna move up. Woo! Yep. There's a struggle that we're seeing. It's definitely rejecting off that whole number. It was bound to happen, but still it hasn't broken the 8. So give us a bit of space. Let it do its thing. Because at this point we can't lose money, but we can make a lot of money if it does break through the whole number now. You know? So I'll take my chances on this one. And just hope for a mega profitable day while this thing grinds on the 8 MA. Okay, so this probably will stop out right here. And it's okay. Shit happens. We were up a decent amount on that little portion, but like, come on, this ain't nothing. This little guy got a quick 1-to-1, probably a bit over, which was a decent amount, right? But yeah, our analysis is right, man. Okay, we said boom, boom, previous day close, 200 or 20. Yeah, we're gonna see that low, resistance, some rejection. Just broke the pivot here. That's part of the game. And it's 8:44, pretty late. Probably call it a day. So yeah, thank you guys. Taking a nice fat loser to start off the week. So we'll see how this plays out this weekend. This might still hold a 20, but it's just not as probable as answering down here. Why? Again, because all it is resistance. Yo, this 20 MA might hold, man, right here. I don't know if I want to take that trade though. Sheesh. Bubble popped up. Bubble popped up. That Disney long also went. UL has a decent look to it. Shit. That's the thing we saw off the 2-minute, right? Or maybe not. First one triggered here. You got enough. You got a new high to take some profits. If you trailed to break even, you probably trailed out though, but triggered again. Real fucking nice. Probably off the 8 MA on this guy. Off the 20, came up, held the 8. Could probably try 2 lots here with a stop at 55. Let's see. Potential trade. And Meta's a big stock. There's a lot of potential to move up. 3-minute room to move, 5-minute clear skies. 15-minute also has some clear skies. 1 hour, not really. But if it triggers, I might just take it. Because why not? Held here pretty nicely with the tail bar. Needs to show me something good, man. Come on. Bruh. Tail out. Turn green. See, now I don't like that because it's getting messy. Getting a little mini tail bar here though. On the 2-minute. Stop is at 51. I could go 3 lots at 84. Or I'll just go 2 lots there at 90. Triggered over the high here. Stops at 50. $88 triggered at 89. Got filled at 89. Stop is at 50. And just like that, we lost again. GG. Alright. Definitely done for the day, man. It's too much struggle today. I think this shit could hold though, man. Like, it's bullish, but it's probably gonna go later, not now. Alrighty, that was a lot of trading just to end up at a loss. So I'm not gonna try to trade the last 26 bucks again. Fuck. Alright, I'll see y'all next time.